This Century 21 Hancock Properties Incorporated property video is presented by Scott Grissom. New construction in Oxford Park. Easy commute to Durham/RTP. 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Master on the main level. Formal dining room and breakfast room. Kitchen will have granite countertops, stainless appliances and tile backsplash. Tile floor in all bathrooms plus laundry room. Covered 12 by 12 deck. Vaulted ceiling, gas log fireplace west/tile surround in family room. Huge bonus room. For more information, review the details below or contact Scott Grissom at 919-691-4234.